Meaning of Grand Guignol.
Grand Guignol.
Grand Guignol.
Grand Guignol.
Grand Guignol. Grand Guignol is a term that refers to a particular style of horror theater that became popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It typically featured a mix of intense, graphic violence and psychological terror, with a heavy emphasis on the grotesque and the macabre. The term itself comes from the name of a Parisian theater that specialized in this type of performance and became known as the Temple of Terror. Despite falling out of fashion in the mid-20th century, the legacy of Grand Guignol can still be seen in horror films and theater today.